Namaste, children. We observe a number of things in our surroundings. Sometimes we get interested in finding out more information about particular things or objects. We think and wonder about certain things, or we may inquire, explore, or seek information about things which interest us or make us curious. Curiosity is a strong desire to know or learn something. You may ask questions in your mind like, why do the elephants not fly and monkeys swim? What if there was no sun? Or why does a setting sun look orange and red? Why not blue or green? Why are the stars so far away from us? Why does a honeybee have a poisonous sting although it makes sweet honey? Who teaches the cuckoo bird to sing melodiously? Why does a peacock look so colorful but a crow is black in color? You may try to find out answers to such questions or other questions. So, children, just like you all, the poet has asked a number of questions in the poem Curiosity. The poet is very surprised about the various things that he observes in nature. He wonders why people, animals, and birds have strange habits or ways of behavior. Let us read and find out what the poet wants to know. Curiosity. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me, tell me please everything. Tell me, tell me, I want to know. What makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow? Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits warble their noses just from habits? Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Tell me, or don't even grown ups know? Let us read the first stanza. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me please everything. The poet wonders why seasons follow a particular pattern. We know that the rainy season is followed by winter and then we have the summer. The period between the winter and summer season is the spring season. In winter, the climate is very cold and in some places it even snows. In the spring season, the flowers blossom and the climate is very pleasant. In human beings and most of the animals, we can easily find out the parents and the young ones. The poet thinks that it is challenging to identify the children butterflies and the parent butterflies. Children, you must have observed people winking their eyes. The opening and closing of one eye quickly is called as winking. So the poet thinks about funny habits which people have. The poet finds it strange that people wink their eyes and thinks what must be the reason for winking of eyes? Children, have you ever seen birds sleeping? So, where do the birds sleep? Is another question that comes to the poet's mind. The poet's curiosity is aroused when he sees a honey bee. So he asks, whether a honeybee stings or bites because it likes to do so, or could there be some other reason for its sting? Now let us read the second stanza. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses? Just from habits? Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Tell me, or don't even grown ups know? Children, if you observe the leaves, you will find that the shapes of leaves of different trees are different. So, what must be causing the leaves to grow in different shapes? Why do the goldfish keep chewing all the time? Is it because it has a habit of chewing? The poet has seen rabbits wobble their noses, so he wonders what makes rabbits wobble or twitch their noses. Is it only out of habit? The wind cannot be seen, it can only be felt. When the wind blows, can anyone tell where does it go and to which place? The poet is eager to find out answers to his questions, but he doubts whether even grown-ups know answers to all his questions. He feels it is possible that even the elders may not have answers to all his questions. So, children, keep thinking and try to find out answers to as many questions as possible. Bye bye.